Okay, here we are again. So we're going to start by making that slip knot and some chains. And we remember, turn your hook down and it'll go through much easier for you. All right, now let's try single crochets. A single crochet is 2 chains high. So we're going to go into the 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3. Go in there, yarn over. Pick up a loop, yarn over, and pull it through both. Let's do it again. Go into the next chain, yarn over, pick up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. Go into the next chain, pick up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. Go into the next chain, yarn over, pick up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. The next one, go through a hole, yarn over, pick up a loop, yarn over, through both. Go into the next chain, yarn over, pick up a loop, yarn over, through both. Notice my finger's still on top. I'm still holding my work here. I'm guiding myself. Every now and then I have to re-wipe my finger, but that's okay. The next one, I'm going to go in again, yarn over, pick up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. And that was the last one. Now I'm going to be turning this around to crochet going the opposite direction. So I'm going to chain 2 to get ready. Now I'm going to take out my yarn, my hook, and show you. This is what the front of it looks like. And this is what the back of it looks like. And you can see across the top, there's chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 single crochets in this row. So let me put my hook back in. And remember, I already chained 2. Now I'm going to turn my work. I don't have to turn anything else. I'm going to keep everything else in the direction that I'm going. I just turn the work. And I'm going to go into this hole. It's right underneath that little set of lips. So I have both laying on top. I'm going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and through 2. Now I'm going to go into the second one, right there. Yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through. I'm going to go into the next one, right there. See, it's under 2 pieces of yarn. Yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through. Into the next one. If you notice, there's almost a hole there, easy to go into. If you go into that hole, you're automatically going to be going underneath 2 pieces of yarn. Yarn over, oops, and pull through. Go into that next hole that you see there, and see there's 2 pieces of yarn. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. We're going to go into the last one now. Into that hole, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through. Now how many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's because that chain 2 was your first single crochet. So now to continue to have 7 single crochets, we're going to just go into the top of the chain 2 and pull through and yarn over and pull through. Now we have 7 single crochets on top of 7 single crochets. Now we're going to do another row. So we have to chain 2, 1, 2, and again, everything stays the same. You just turn your work. That's all. Now this first chain 2, remember, is going to be your first single crochet. So now we're going to do the second one. You don't go into this one that's at the base of the chain. Go into the next one. Into that hole, yarn over, pull up. Yarn over, pull through. Into that hole, yarn over, pull up. Yarn over, pull through. Into that hole, yarn over, pull up. Yarn over, pull through. Into that hole, yarn over, pull up. Yarn over, pull through. Into that hole, yarn over, pull up. Yarn over, pull through. Into the hole, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through. And here we are at that tricky spot again. Count your single crochets now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, you want 7. And to do your 7th, you go into the top of that turning chain, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through. To start yourself ready for the next row, you automatically chain 2. I'm going to pull up and take out my hook, and now you can see we have 7 single crochets on top of 7 single crochets on top of 7 single crochets. So we have 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. If you turn it over, it looks slightly different from the back. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's your next lesson. Have fun.